Before we begin, you need to understand what this really is. This is not an AI course, not a tech review, not another trend-chasing video. This is a classified sequence, a strategic release of the 12 core protocols every human must activate to survive the coming shift. Each protocol represents a skill, a weapon, a mindset. These transmissions will be released gradually, not dumped all at once, because if you're not ready for Protocol 1, you're not ready for Protocol 12. This is a briefing, a mission, and every mission has a beginning. Start here, and don't stop until you've unlocked all 12. Now, let the transmission begin. Transmission decrypted, access level, ultra, agent. If you're seeing this, you've been chosen. The year is 2035. The human workforce collapsed. Not because of AI's power, but because of ignorance. Millions had access to the tools, but almost none knew how to wield them. You are not here to catch up. You're here to prepare. This is not a tutorial. This is survival training. We've recovered the original 12 protocols, the same ones that could have saved an entire generation from irrelevance. Your mission: learn them, master them, and activate them before it's too late. Welcome to Protocol 1. In the early days of AI, most users asked weak questions and received weak answers. They typed like amateurs and wondered why the machine didn't understand. But a new breed emerged. Those who spoke to AI like generals to soldiers. They didn't prompt, they commanded. They used structure, role play, context layering, system instructions, multi-stage refinement. These weren't questions. They were blueprints. That's Protocol 1. Command the machine. Because AI doesn't respond to need, it responds to clarity. Mastering this means unlocking infinite assistance. Creators, strategists, even CEOs. But without it, you'll just be typing noise into a god. Protocol to begin soon. The rise of AI-augmented creativity.